talk about crypto and meme coin trading. Now, I'm not saying I'm a superstar, because I'm not. I'm learning just like you, but I know a few things that I've learned recently that I feel like I might want to share with you guys. So I appreciate you tuning in. Follow me on all platforms: Kick, YouTube, Twitch, all the above. We're gonna talk. We're gonna show live and in living color. We're gonna follow some of the best meme coin traders. One in particular is Cupsey. If you don't know who Cupsey is, Cupsey's that dude. It's probably averaging 40, 50 grand a day trade on Axiom. And we're gonna show you a few things. I'm gonna show you what I've done so far following this method that has yielded me some results. In fact, one of the methods that I used a couple days ago, I don't know, I put maybe $30 worth of Solana in. Got 4, maybe 5 Solana back off of one move. Now, I didn't follow this exact strategy that Cupsey does. It gets in these scalps. He's done a lot of trades. I'm going to show you that too. I'm going to show you his wallet address. I actually held this one because I followed the theme and the narrative. I thought it was kind of cool. I said, let me just sit on this because it just came out. It just migrated to Solana. I held it, and sure enough, I was right. And I'm not always right. I've lost a lot. But you only take one right move to make up for the bad moves, right? So, without further ado, let's check it out. So here we are. This is Axiom, right? So Axiom, there's a couple different, and I don't know, maybe you guys know about Axiom. I don't know. Let me just move this screen. I don't want to kind of get this completely in. All right, cool. Maybe you guys know about Axiom. I don't know if you do or not. I have no clue. I don't know what your skill level is and what your experience is with crypto and meme coins in general, right? So for those new, I'm going to assume the experienced ones already know about this stuff because this is kind of dangerous. See, just investing in crypto is a risky move. And by all means, let me just say this. This is not financial advice. This is just showing you some things that I've done. If you like it, great. If you want to follow up, great. If you don't, that's great too. But obviously, if you stay and you listen, you're pretty interested in this. So you might hear this little bling, bling. I'll show you what that stuff is. This is Cupsey's buys. This is what he's doing. Live action right now. I'm going to show you how you can follow that too. Buys and sells, right? So here we are on Axiom. Now, I learned this just like you're learning right now. I watched some other people do it. And you may know how, and you may not. But for those that don't, I'm going to assume that whoever's watching does not know. All right. So this is Axiom. And you're going to go to axiom.com, axiom.trade. That's what you want to get to. So that's the website, axiom.trade. You're going to open your account, right? It's free to do. And you want to connect your Solana, your Phantom wallet to it, right? Because typically you want to get in and out. So you want to be able to do that live action right here on the website, right? Or you can go to Phantom, copy the wallet address, go to Phantom, and you can do your own purchase. It's completely up to you. But it's kind of hard to do if you're going to do scalping, which is what these guys are doing. It's kind of hard to do that play if you're not directly connected, right? So you gotta figure out what you want to do. So here we are, like I said, Axiom, AXIOM.trade. That's the first step. You're gonna open your account, do all the verifications that they ask. Connect your wallet, because right now my wallet's connected, and I'm glad you can't see it because it's really none of your business. So my wallet's connected, so maybe you can. I don't know. Anyway, I only have a little bit of Solana in there. So the next thing you would do is you're going to go over to this site. This site is called Kolscan, KOLSCAN.io. If you didn't understand what I said, I'm going to say it one more time. SCAN.io. Rewind it and figure out what I said. All right. So if you go here, these are your leaderboards. These are your daily winners. So daily, these are the top traders in meme coins right now. All right. So you got this guy named Otto. You can follow him on Twitter. I highly suggest you follow these guys on Twitter because they're into certain coins. And if you definitely want to learn how to scalp, that's where you kind of get the in on certain things, and they'll let you, you could kind of pick their brain and kind of see what, how they think. But Cupsey, 100% you need to follow him, right? Just so you know, this is Cupsey's Twitter. And follow me on Twitter too, by the way, guys. You see Big J Reacts, right? Oh, you can't see it. So it's Big J Reacts at Big J Reacts 75. That's me. You see the blue confirmation. It's officially me. So go follow me as well. But this is Cupsey's Twitter page. And he's got about 149,000 followers. This guy is like the master meme coin trader, the #1 trader out. So why do I say that? This is why I say it. So if you go here, he's #2 daily P&L. He's making $34,000 a day. You heard me right. Yes. And on the weekly, he's the #1 trader. He's making $335,000 a week. And monthly, this dude's clocking 1.7 mil a month. And now that's just off the meme coin trades. And he's in a lot of them. So by saying that, let's click his name, right? And you see all the trades that he is in. He's getting in, scalping. Some he's holding. Some he's won. If it's in the green, he's won those trades. But if it's in the red, it shows you straight up. Let's just take this for sample. Duration 3. He held this position for 32 seconds. This is how quick he's in and out. And he's lastly been active a minute ago. He just put 2.3 Sol into his, I guess, ND Studio, or I don't know, some coin out. We'd have to follow it. But anyway, oh yeah, ND Studio. Duh. He put 2.32 Sol into ND Studio, held a position for 32 seconds. So he put in 2.21 Sol and got 2.32 Sol out. A little quick for my liking, but he knows what he's doing. Here he did another buy of ND Studio at 3 Sol and came out 3.41 Sol. Here's another position he had, 49 seconds, 6.62 Sol, 6.675 Sol. So he loved this ND Studio play. He gets into these a lot. He'll buy it. If it goes up, buy it another time, buy it, and then boom, he'll sell it at the top, and he's in and out. I don't think he holds a lot, but he does hold some. So to say he doesn't, that would be a lie. All right. But let's just look. His biggest win, he did his top win. He got 134 Sol, but he plays big. He's putting in 2, 6, 5, 16 Sol into certain thing. Yeah, see here, he came out. Look, 16 Sol, sold it, lost 37%. So he lost 6 Sol. So he doesn't always win, but he's got a lot of green, 49%, 55%, 11%, 47%. This is if you got the big bolas, big cojones. All right, this summer he got 62% return on that, 140%. Look at this one. He put in 3 Sol on Fart Coin with a K. 3 Sol came out 7 Sol. That's a win like a son of a gun. And here's another one, a Fart Coin, another position, 3 Sol, 6 Sol. Put in 4 Sol, came out 13 Sol. God dang. Missed that play. So this is why you follow a guy like this, right? You follow a guy like this to kind of see what he's into. But how do you know when he's buying? So you can get in quickly and possibly mimic some, if not completely mimic his play, right? So you're going to go here, and let's just say you go here, a 3-minute chart, right? It's going to pull up a Sol scan. So once you pull up the Sol scan, you're going to go here. This is Cupsey Sol Scan, but this is his wallet address. See that? Cupsey wallet address. So you're going to copy the wallet address. You're going to come back to Axiom. I'm following a few traders, guys, so it's not always Cupsey. But you're going to follow that. You're going to copy the wallet address. You're going to come here, and at the very top, you see where it says trackers. You're going to click trackers. Following 4 different traders right now. You're going to add wallet. You're going to paste that wallet address you just copied off a Sol Scan, and you're going to name it the actual name of the trader. And once you've done that, now whenever they make a trade, you're going to see this pop-up come up in your Axiom account. Once you've done that, that's it. So if you want to cycle through Axiom, right? Let's say you're looking. These are just the brand new meme coins that have just came out. Boom. They go to the middle stage, which is migrated to the final stretch, right? You follow it there. I'm not quite sure where these traders are getting their in plays. Are they getting it here, or wait till they migrate? I think they're waiting till it migrates, but I don't know that. You're gonna know as soon as they buy. You're gonna click on that little pop-up and it'll take you right to like right here. Boom. You click it. Cupsey just bought NDS. You see? Bought. Now, Cupsey sold here at the top, but he bought more. He just bought more. He likes this play. So guess what? I'm gonna buy some myself. Bam. I just bought some NDS. Now, whenever I see him sell, this is live action. I've lost a lot, but this is my NDS play. I'm down $2. I bought $4 worth of NDS. This is just to show you. I mean, if you're playing with the with a small bag like me, then it's okay. So he just sold all his NDS. He sold it all. So do you get in and out? Do I hold? Well, NDS is a new play, but with just $2 invested or $4 invested, I mean, I'm just gonna hang on to it. You know why? Because you just never know. And the reason I say that, right? The reason I say that, before I get too far ahead, let me go back to let me go back to Pulse and give you an idea of what you're looking at. Brand new pairs just came out. Meme coins just came out. Final stretch. They moved to the middle phase. This is soon to be migrated to. It's made it to Solana, so people, a mass amount of people can purchase it. Meaning it has some trust. It's been around a little bit. People have some trust, and you can really get the masses involved. Migrated means it's now officially on Solana, so you can go to Dex Screener and you can pull this actual coin up. So when you do that, you can play around with it. There's this one particular coin that I followed to a T what I just told you guys about, but instead of selling it quickly, I held on to it. And what is that coin? Let me look it up. That coin is called Imperfect Coin. The Imperfect Coin. So let's go do Dex Screener. Dex Screener. Why you playing with a brother? All right, so perfect. Imperfect Coin. This thing has got a market cap of 1.1 million. Liquidity is 189K locked. You like seeing that, and it's still strong. But when I bought it, I can't remember the day. I wish I'd have made a screen capture. But when I bought it, this bad boy, it was super new. So whatever day, let's go. Last 5 days. I bought it, I think, somewhere over here, but I did not. Yeah, it was probably around somewhere around over here. Way down at the bottom. You can't see it from my face on the screen, but let's move over here. I bought it somewhere right around here. Can you see my mouse? Anybody see where that? All right, right around here's where I bought it. And then that thing went parabolic. Boom. Came back, you know, initial profit, boom, went parabolic again. Boom, boom. This thing went up and it's still going strong. Now, I am saying that this coin has some legs. So I saw that, right? And I saw this. I saw this. I saw the action, right? I was like, you know what? Instead of me scalping it, let me just hang on to it. Well, I hung on to it, guys. I didn't put a lot because I didn't have a lot of Solana. I put enough. And my little bitty Solana, it was less than one Solana, probably half of a Solana, not even, maybe 40, 50 bucks, maybe 4 Solana, 4, I think maybe 5 even. I was like, oh yeah. So I took half of that. Then I took the rest and I kind of was buying some other stuff. So I was using the same strategy I used to even see this coin to figure out, okay, I like the strategy I use, but you know, should I do the scalping? I don't know. I'm not telling you to do scalping. What I am telling you is this is how you do what I'm saying, at least at the very least, to copy a trader who is super successful. And he's not the only one. There are other traders. You saw on my trackers, I'm watching this guy named Otto, Centered, and HY. Don't know who HY is really, or these other guys. But here's what I do know. When I go back here, Otto, Cupsey, HY probably is not even up here anymore, but on the weekly, monthly. See, you're just going to constantly check here, but these guys are always doing their thing. So if you really want to know what these guys are up to, let's go to Otto for example. Otto's got a lot of wins. Otto, his 9 minutes ago, ND Studio, he had the ND Studio play. So I'm thinking ND Studio, right? ND Studio might be the move. So let's check it out. It'll take you right to Deck Screener. You can check out ND Studio. This is how you do your research, guys, and it's not easy. It's time consuming. It's a pain in the ass for sometimes, but it is what it is. All right, ND Studio. This must have been just a straight up rug pull. That's why they got in and out, but they made some serious money. Or could this be one of those coins where you get the community saying, hey, we believe in this coin, we're going to buy it back. But right now, you got a market cap of 4.2K and no lock liquidity. So this one, personally, I'm out. But this cap went in 1.44 sold, came out 1.56. Cupsey came in that thing with blazing speed. I don't know how he found it. And he made a bag. This one play he did when I guess it just came out, he put in 10 sold, got 15 back. Gotta love it. Flop Lord. He just made this play 5 minutes ago. Let's check it out on Deck Screener. What the hell is this? All right, so Slop Lord. Well, Slop Lord started off good. And Dev bought, Dev sold. That's back down to the bottom. I don't know. It's one of those coins where sometimes what you'll find, Slop Lord. So what you'll find, let me put it to you this way. Sometimes if you want to do some real deep searching, you can go to a coin like, listen, now this is just me. This is what I do sometimes, not just following. Seeing as I've tried this theory of following the traders that are successful and it works. Sometimes I lose. See, like Otto just bought Axiom. Why wouldn't you? That makes sense. But anyway, so you're going to go over here to migrate. These just are freshly on Solana, right? And you're going to look. Market cap 83,000, 21,000. So Wish. Let's check this one out. Let's check Wish out. See what that might be. All right, Wish just came out. Came out this morning. And that's got a nice little trend line. You know what? 4 zeros. Guess what Big J's going to do? Guess what? I'm going to buy a little bit of that junk. That just down. And I'm going to hold on to this one. You know why I'm going to hold on to this one? Because I think it's got some legs. And what you can do is you can check its social media accounts out, right? Does it have any social media? View on X community. Boom. There you go. Let's see what's happening with this. Maybe not. Come on. All right, Wish. With it, success happens. With it, success happens. Wish is the focus behind every win, the reason success becomes reality. The force that takes us higher. And how many followers do they got? 106 members. You know, it's brand new. Wish. I kind of like the theme. It looks kind of cool. They got some social media behind them a little bit. You know, just like anything, something's got to start out very, low, and then it gains traction. So if they have a little bit more push, a little bit more community behind them, I mean, it might turn out to be something. So when I look at a coin like that, you know, what do you do? Right? What do you do? You hold on to it. That's what you do. And that's what I'm doing. I bought a little bit and I'm holding on to it. Buy dark. Who is this? Buy dark. What is dark? Buy dark. All right, let's check dark out. Dark on heaven. ABC for you and me. What's up? Appreciate you tuning in. ABC for you and me. Let's look at dark. I assume it's on deck screener. Is it on deck screener? Which one of these bad boys is it? Or do you have a wallet address? There you go, my man. All right. Dark. It's got a little bit of legs to it, my man. 303,000 lock liquidity. Is this the right one? Am I looking at the right one? ABC for you and me. Is this right? About 303K lock liquidity. Does that sound right? $3.2 million market cap. All right. Okay. Well, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to get me a little bit of that. I'm going to have a little bit of that. Now, typically, personally, between me and you, I like something with a lot more zeros, but with $3.2 million market cap, I mean, does that have potential to go parabolic, to go to 150 million, 100 million, potentially a billion? Remember the meme coin Peanut? I missed that. I missed so many, but remember Peanut? Oh, you think I should wait for a retrace before I buy any? God. Okay. I mean, I should get a little bit. I should get in the game a little, right? Well, anyway, Peanut went up to $1 billion, and that was that squirrel, and I didn't know nothing about it. But see, that's how you get coins that go straight to the moon. Because if there's a story behind it, I guess this is a squirrel. I don't really know the real story. Some real life squirrel, and I guess he died. Well, somebody made a meme coin about it on Pump.Fun. I'm telling you, Pump.Fun used to be a joke. It's not a joke no more. And that thing went to a straight billion. So missed the Trump coin when it first came out. And I hate missing opportunities, but I did make a bunch of money. Anyway, else like, all right, do you remember Book of Meow? Made a ton of money on that one. The Meow coin, I think it was. Ton of money. There's a lot of coins. What was it? There was a coin with Leonardo DiCaprio. I forget what it's called. Cheers. Made some money on that joint. No, but this is a good call. I like this. Hey, how'd you find it, by the way? Like, what did you look at to say, hey, this is a coin might want to look into? And where did you buy that? ABC for you and me. How'd you get updated on it? Did you like join some kind of, came out a week ago? Okay, cool. So on Heaven Launchpad. All right. But who notified you? Was it because you were signed up for the Launchpad and they came out and said, hey, you might want to look at this one. This one's from X and calls. Okay. Well, see, you in the know. All right. Yeah, I definitely got to follow some of these cats on Twitter. I'm following as many people as I can just because you just never know on Twitter. I'm trying to get in early on all these things, man, because I am tired of missing. Okay. I like it. Yeah, we're gonna get a little bit of that. That's Dunsky's. Done, son. Let's go back here. Let's go back. Every platform, flagship runner in there has always been. Yeah. So that is their flagship token, just like everyone, it's got a flagship token. You're right. So that's Heaven's flagship token. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I'm definitely getting some. Matter of fact, that's the second one. So what was the first one? The first one. It's, oh my God, it's 80 million. God dang. First, I mean, you missed that first push on 80 million. That's, yeah, but this one, 3.2 million. I like that. Yeah, you put me on, bro. Appreciate it. Much love. Yeah. Oh yeah. Appreciate that. No doubt. No doubt. I'm on it. Even when I'm not doing any of this recording and streaming, I'm always looking for coins to buy. And I'm like that secret. Like people say, hey, what do you do in your spare time? You don't go out anymore. Man, fuck going out. Going out and just blowing a lot of money you'll never get back. Right? I don't mind it. And it's cool. I'm cool with that. But for the most part, I'm trying to find a bag. I'm trying to find a bag. You know, look up the narrative. Very strong community. Oh yeah. Oh bro. I'm on this like I'm on it like Blue Bonnet. Oh yeah. I mean, you get it sound like you got the sauce, man. Okay. You got to stay in touch. Plug in. Hell to the yeah. Yeah. No doubt. I'm all about it, bro. And listen, if I find something that I think is strong, I'm on it too. Listen, all right, here, case in point. All right. It's funny you said that. All right, so I'm on my phone right now, so bear with me. There was one. Now, everything Matt Fury, right? Everything Matt Fury, you just never know. Would you agree? ABC? Matt Fury shit is fire. Brett, Pepe, Land Wolf, blah blah blah. The list goes on, right? So I did some research and I was looking at this one. Now, nothing's happened yet, and there's really two I looked at. There's nothing's happened yet. But if it does, all right. First of all, this is going to be on your Ethereum platform, and this coin is called. Okay, I'm gonna put it up here. I'm gonna pull it up. That's what this coin is. I'm gonna go to deck screen. I'm gonna pull this bad boy up. Right here. Bucci, Matt Fury. Now, I don't know much about this guy. I know he draws some weird characters, and damn near all of them that have come out as meme coins have been freaking bangers. I miss Brett. I made some money on Pepe, but I missed the initial run. Completely missed Brett. Completely missed Andy. You know, I'm tired of it. But Matt Fleury, this is the guy. He's on to something. So this Bucci coin has got 9 flipping zeros, 130K lock liquidity, and $299,000 market cap. Yeah, ain't a lot of talk about it, but if you look at this chart, this chart's pretty strong. This chart's pretty strong, right? So here you go. May 25th, this came out. May 25th. Look at this chart. All I am saying is just a little bit of money into this joint, and it just doesn't have to move massively. It just needs to move. And the more popular Matt Fury's memes and his artwork becomes, the more people are going to be looking for the next Matt Fury meme coin. That's all I'm saying. So I put a little bit of money into this. Got on my what platform was that I bought this bad boy on? Well, you gotta buy it on yeah. All right, cool. Yeah. I hope it's a good one. Yeah, man. You gotta buy this with Uniswap. God, I got a brain cramp. Gotta have Uniswap and you gotta have Ethereum. So you can buy it on if you have a MetaMask wallet. Obviously, you should have a MetaMask wallet. You just go to MetaMask and you go to their browser, you plug in Uniswap, it'll connect with your wallet. Yeah, bro. And listen, I only found this because somebody said, I watched a video of a guy, I forget his name, Win All Day. Good YouTube channel. So shout out to Win All Day. And he was talking about him doing research on Matt Fury coins. And I was like, you know what? Damn it. I need to do my own damn research. So I did some research on this Bucci coin. And I was like, oh, hell yes. And I hope this is the right one because there's some fake ones out there. But I'd assume this has got to be the right one. This is a pretty strong ass chart. So that's one for you. Now, the other one that people are talking about that I did a little research, just a little moderate research. And I got a decent bag on this one. Moaner Melt. Let's see if that's on here. Moaner Melt. Yeah, right here. Here's another one. Another Matt Fury, Moaner Melt. Now check this shit out. This thing has got 168K market cap. Excuse me, liquidity, locked liquidity, $1.9 million market cap. Was at nothing. May 17th. I didn't know shit about this coin on May 17th, y'all. I wish I was tuned in and tapped in. Let's go back here. All right, look. Didn't know shit about it. Dead. 17th, 24th, 27th, 20th, 30th, June, July, August. It waked up a little bit. That bitch just went straight to the moon. Now it's consolidating. So all I'm saying, I got a decent bag of this Moaner coin. Guess who? Another Matt Fury freaking, you know what I'm saying? He can't miss. This dude cannot miss. Now, I'm not saying this is going to go nowhere. I have no fucking clue. Not a fucking clue. But here's what I will tell you. Do you want to be on the what if side? Or do you want to be on the fuck I missed it side? Because I'd have been on the fuck I missed it side too many times. I don't know about you guys. I hate that side. Bitcoin. I remember. Check this shit out. I'm going to tell a true story. I think about it every day. Breaks my fucking heart. Let's pull up my calculator. Oh, Lord. This is horrible. This is story time, y'all. So 2013, we moved to the house. Just had it built. Beautiful house. I wanted to get a patio in the backyard. Fire pit, I saved a little bit of money, making good money, blah, 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 this and that. My stupid ass. Bitcoin, I think, was probably $100. So I don't mind telling you because I can't rewind time. But if I could, that damn backyard patio, this is what it cost. Oh yeah. Now let's just do some simple math. Let's assume it was about $100. That's 400 Bitcoin. If I had just said, you know what, damn this backyard, damn the backyard, that's 400 Bitcoin. Now we're assuming I would have kept this Bitcoin. Let's say I got it. We're assuming I'd have kept the Bitcoin all the way to the current price. What's the current price of Bitcoin, by the way? Anybody know? Chat, y'all know? I think it's about 115 grand. Maybe, all right, we'll just say 115 grand. Do you see that? You see that number? You see that number? Yeah. Every time I walk outside and cut my backyard, look at that damn patio. I want to hurt something. I really want to hurt something, guys. Chat. So don't be me. Do some dumb stuff and not take action. If you have any idea the change, the life-changing opportunity that crypto is for you, please just take a little bit of fucking money and a little bit of faith and just put something in certain things and hold on to it. And this all started out, basically copying a Cupsey scalping method. I'm not saying scalping's bad. I'm saying sometimes scalping's cool. If you've got enough Solana, scalp, get in and out. But sometimes if you got to do a little research, something like this coin right here, follow it. See if it's got legs. What's the history of it? Who's behind it? And if you think that might be something in the future, just like Dogecoin was, just like Shiba Inu. Missed that fucking. Oh my God, I missed the boat on Shiba. You see what I'm saying? I'm tired of saying I missed. Let's say we hit. So Moner, that's another one. Let me think of another one for you guys. See, I'm dropping some jewels. I'm dropping some motherfucking jewels. Y'all got to at least subscribe and follow, brother. Maybe leave me a tip or something. Shit. I'm trying to grow. All right, where's another one for you? Have you guys ever heard of MindFact? I think a couple people have been talking about that one. That's another one. MindFact. MindFact. Yeah, this is the one. And these are obviously all Ethereum coins. Look at this fucking chart. Let me move this over. You see it? All right. Started way over here. Here we go again. This first half of the year. Oh my God, man. So start here, July 16th. Consolidate. Kind of went up a little. Nice little growth. July, sell off. People taking profits. Went up a little bit. Consolidate, and then that's when the motherfucker started climbing. This is still a good buy. 522K. Can you see? Can't see my screen. All right, look, it's got a 522K. Well, I appreciate that. How do you pronounce that? Hertix W5578. Don't know who you are, but I appreciate the offer. Don't know how that really works, player, but we'll see. We'll see how that works. I'm trying to grow organically from the roots, from the ground up, water them seeds. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, this one's got 522K market cap locked. Oh shit, God, I keep saying that. 522K locked liquidity, $10.2 million market cap. MindFact, and it's sitting at 0.01 cent. And this is on Uniswap. So this is Ethereum. So you got to have your Ethereum set up on MetaMask, and you can buy this via Uniswap. This is another Matt Fury. This dude is fucking batting 1,000. All right, let's see if I got another. I got another banger. Let's see. I think I had one more Matt Fury, and this is a long shot. I think it was Strawberry. I think was the name. Let's just look at it. Strawberry. Was it Strawberry? Yes, that's what it was. Now this is a definite long, super duper long shot. All right, this is supposedly another Matt Fury. I think this is somebody's girlfriend. I think this might be Pepe's girlfriend. So it's only got 31K lock liquidity, $48,000 market cap. If this were to ever wake up, because at one time it was here, May, shot all the way up. So it lost 1-0. And it shot all the way back down. Consolidate. See, this is where things start to go crazy. So after it consolidates and went up again, right? You think it's dead, then that son of a gun shoots to the goddamn moon. So this is where you want to buy things because you just don't know, and it don't cost much. See, that's the key. People think, oh, it's dead. Look at it. It's got one buyer, 3 sales. Oh, everyone's selling. Well, so if everyone's jumping off the cliff, you gonna jump too? Or you gonna sit back and scope out the scenery and say, why is this doing this? What's the history behind this? Okay, who is this associated with? Well, shit, I'm gonna be like investing in the stock market. I'm gonna diversify. I'm gonna put a little here, a little bit here, a little bit here, and let's just sit on it. Let's see what happens. Sometimes these plays happen overnight, guys. Sometimes it takes time. You have to be patient. So as long as you got enough seeds planted, you're gonna reap a hell of a harvest. If you play your cards right. That's all I'm saying. So now, is that all I got for you as far as my personal picks that I've been doing? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, here's another Matt Fury potential. This is on Solana. And I'm sure you've heard of this guy because it might be in the top 20 or so. There you go. A little Bezo. Little Bizzle. Now, this just came out, what? The 19th? It looks horrible. Don't get me wrong, it looks horrible. But this is the play, right? So if you go down here and you look at the website, it's nothing. It's dead, 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 dead. But sometimes when things are dead like this and the narrative comes up, this is Pepe's best friend, Bezo. They like to go skydiving. Can you see this? All right, there you go. There's the mark. There's the chart. It's horrible. That chart's horrendous. So it's dead, right? That's what you think. But what if it's not dead? $9,000 in liquidity, $6,000 market cap, 5 zeros. I love the zeros. Lots of room to grow. Lots of room to grow. But this is a Matt Fury. So let's go to the website, guys. Check out this website. I do understand. This website's... Let's see. What the hell does that mean? All right, let's just see. I think I had this website open already. Yeah, right here. Bezos on Solana. This is the website. That's Bezo. Pepe's best friend and ultimate sidekick is here. Now, again, the website looks kind of cool. That's the narrative. What does that mean? It's going to be anything? Who the hell knows? But here's what I do know. Just in case. Just in case Bezo makes it through the night, I'm gonna be in place to have that bag, baby. Put a little bit of money in that thing. Let it sit. You never know what's gonna happen. That's Bezo. All right, let's go back. Axiom. Let's see what's popping on Axiom. People buying crazy. Cupsey, what did he just buy? He just bought this. Nolik. Don't know what the hell that is, but if he bought it, it must be a reason. He kept buying it. Let's buy some. I just bought some. See what Nolik is. I have yet, I'm gonna be quite honest, I have yet, when I buy stuff on Axiom, to be in the green. Maybe I'm not buying it fast enough, but the reality is some of these I just buy and hold because I like the narrative. I'm waiting to see if they wake up again. They just sold. I didn't have a chance to even look at the damn narrative on this joint. See, that's the thing. When you're scalping, you gotta be really tapped in to know what's going on. Not standard bots. Okay, he bought some. So not just Cupsey, but another trader that I'm following bought some. $102,000 market cap. Okay. Maybe there's something to this. If you don't jump off the cliff like sometimes they do, you know how it is. He just sold all his Nolik. See? It's about $4 worth. I'm down $2. Let's see what the narrative is. What the hell is that? Is that a shit? What the hell is that thing? River rat? Who the hell knows? All right, we'll keep watching, but let's look. Let's do our own research, guys. Let's check this out. So Nolik right here. See, it just migrated. So that's the same one that everybody's buying. See, this is what I'm saying. I'm thinking that they're looking at what's just migrated and boom, they're jumping on it. Let's look at Carl. Carl's got $71,000 market cap. We just did Wish. We bought some Wish. Wish was holding strong. I'm still down a few bucks on that, but you know, no biggie. Damn, this one's already at $1 million market cap. How's that? Just came out. Agentic capital markets. Don't know what that's supposed to mean. How you even trust something like that? Oh, I'm only down 36 cents on my Nolic. I'm in the green. I'm in the green, y'all. Oh, I'm back. Back in the red. Hold on. Let me go back to this joint. Let me go back to this Nolic. Nolic got me thinking I'm shoot. Should I scalp this joint or hold on to it? I mean, it's got a strong, $179,000 market cap. Liquidity's 56 grand, 250. I mean, the market cap's growing. They sold some of their Nolic, but it keeps on pushing. Should I buy some more? I'm I'm in it. All right. I made $2 on this joint. I'm up 2 pounds. I'm just hold strong, man. You just never know. I sold a little bit, y'all. I put 0.01 in and I sold 0.01. So I just basically took my profit or some of my profit. If that makes any sense. Somebody just bought more Nolic. I mean, damn. Should I buy some? I don't know. But this is going. Now, see, a token like this tells me that I might want to look outside of this. Go to my Phantom wallet, copy the wallet address, and buy some. That's what a coin like this tells me sometimes. All right, let's go back to Pulse. Let's find us another one. 7,000, 107,000. That's strong. Over 1 million. God damn. Hedge. Ooh, see this trajectory, y'all? This is what I'm talking about. Let's pull this over. See, this is what I'm saying. So when you look at a coin like this, you say, all right, we might have missed the first push. It was a $250,000 market cap. It's now $1.17 million. It just got on Solana. Is this a coin to watch? Hell yeah. So I'm going to put this on my watch list. It's got 2 zeros. That's, it is what it is. How much can I buy? I just bought some hedge. Sounds weird, right? 1.7 thousand hedge is what I bought. As soon as I buy some, of course, you get a red candle. God dang. I must be bad luck. But no, I like the trajectory of what I see. And it hasn't been out long. Hedge is definitely one to watch. I think this could have some legs. Let's see. They have a website, so let's check out their website. All right. Shitty Hedge. Your life change shitcoin. It is kind of cute, right? That's funny. All right. Yeah, we know how to buy, bro. I mean, it's kind of cute. It's got some potential NFT possibilities here. I mean, it's a pretty standard website, but it could catch fire, and that's the key. It's a cute, catchy narrative. This might be something in the future you might want to latch on to. You just never know. That might be a hold and buy, or a buy and hold, excuse me. Definitely think that's got some legs. 71K. It's doing its thing. All right, let's look at this. Can you see that? Let me scoot this over, y'all. I don't know if you can see the migrated side. I don't think you can. me go here because this is what's important. I want y'all to see this, the migrated side. All right, cool. So the migrated side right here is what just came on Solana. So let's look for something. This 400 Conrad. Let's check this out. Ooh, man, we missed that thing. That thing started at $6,000 market cap, went all the way up to 400,000. Why is that? What is this about? Team Conrad community. Let's see what this is about. Team Conrad. All right, Team Conrad, a new viral movement on X, TikTok, and IG. All kinds of football, soccer teams are posted about it. Even celebs like Ariana Grande posted on IG earlier, same playbook as Orange Era. Check yourself. This looks way bigger. Oh, okay. See, look. It doesn't take a lot to convince me. We got to buy some of this joint. Maybe that dip. Get dipper here. Maybe that dip will get dippier. Come on. I just bought 5,000 Conrad. Fuck it. That's what I just did. And you know what? I'm going to sit on it. I'm not expecting, but this one, I don't remember Orange Era, but give me a chat if you know what Orange Era is. Is that a big one? I don't know. Now, Cupsey just bought some now. So that's supposed to be about now, buy now, pay later. I'm sure he's going to sell too. Cupsey bought more now. 6. You know something I don't know. I guarantee you're going to sell it. He bought some up there. But this is a very cool way for you guys to kind of see what the big guys are doing, how they're doing it, and how to really look at certain things and say, hey, listen, I don't know if this is going to be a coin that's going to do anything. But I look at, what's this one called? Loan coin? $5 zeros, $8,000 lock liquidity. Don't know about that. All right, but this gives you a cool way to kind of, see what to do. A lot of times, I know you see a lot of TikTok videos. You see a lot of just videos in general where people telling you how to do things, but you really are lost because you don't even know where step 1 should be. Step 1 is you need to have a Phantom wallet. Step 2, MetaMask wallet. You get those 2 things in line. Step 3, have a platform where you can buy Solana and Ethereum, which would be Coinbase. You need a Coinbase account. If you don't have a Coinbase account, I will probably leave a link where you can sign up to Coinbase, which you're going to need to have. If you do not have it, if I do leave a link, use my damn link, man. Help me out. Like, subscribe, follow, and use the link. It's the least we can do. I just put you on to some shit. So once you sign up, then you're going to buy Ethereum. You're going to buy Solana. You're going to send it to your wallet on Phantom. You're going to send the Ethereum to the to MetaMask wallet. So now you're prepared to purchase either an Ethereum-based token or Solana token. And then once you have that Solana in place and that Ethereum in place, you're going to look, do your research like we just talked about. All these tokens here. Did I miss some? Conrad. This is definitely on my watch list. Conrad's nice at price action. Hedge definitely on the list. Goat, $167,000 market cap. Let's check it out. Ooh, that's not looking good. That's not looking good. That just went up. Just, yeah, I don't know about that one. I don't know about Goat. But looking at the market caps to see if that means there's some price action. I mean, Pepe girl. Interesting. Pepe girl. Ooh, that thing had a very, very solid rise. Whoop. Migrated up here, then boom. People took profits. Got up again, a little profit taken. I don't know. Pepe girl. Pepe girl. I don't know about Pepe girl. But you know what? I like the narrative. So let's buy a little Pepe girl. I'm going to sit on that joint. Save it in my watch list. And there we go. See, this is what I do personally. I'm not saying I'm right. I'm not saying I'm wrong. What I am saying is, for the most part, it has been successful for me. Let's see. TLS. Let's see. I like Pepe girl. 205,000 on market. I'm digging it. Let's see. Ramp. We missed that one. That's the one that I don't think we missed it. We missed the initial rise because that thing was at 43,000 and went as high as like 500K. That's back. See, I like the retracement. Ramp. Or PAMP. We'll say ramp. PAMP. Okay. Let's see what the website looks like. Claim now. Oh no. You're not. Listen, whenever something tells you to claim and you have no idea what it is, do not connect your wallet to it. That's a rule of thumb. Don't do that. I don't know about that. I ain't connecting no wallet to their website. That's not happening. Let's see what the community says about PAMP. I want to know if PAMP should be a buy and hold, guys. 66 members. Let's see if the community is active. We get 69. I mean, it's so new. I just don't know. I think, who knows? I'd love to see more members. But this one's questionable. Questionable at best. Questionable at best. Let's go back. But I'm going to mark this here. It's got 3 zeros. PAMP. Yeah, you on my watch list, PAMP. PAMP dog. These are all my losers. Y'all see all my losers? You see all my losers? Ain't nothing in the green. It's all good though. All right, Autobot. This token. Hold. Spankalon. Spankalon? Don't even know what the hell that is. Divine. Agent OS. Let's see what this Agent OS is. $700,000 market cap. Migrated, bam, dropped off a cliff. Don't know about that one. Spankalon. You've seen Spankalon. Like a spankathon. Fuck it. Let's get some spankathon. That little spankathon. I got 148,000 spankalon. I'm gonna mark that on my watch list. I'm doing this real time for you guys. I'm really putting my own hard-earned money up against the market. Got 148,000 spankalon just now. Already down $3. It's all good. This is for, I mean, think about it. This thing just literally started. So, spank a line. I don't know. One member, spank his ass till airdrop. I kind of think it's funny. See this? You hit spank and it's an ass spanking ass sound. Keep spanking, keep spanking. This is so stupid. This is so damn stupid. It's so stupid that it might be something. See what I'm saying? So let's just buy a little bit more of that spanker line. Bam. All right, now I'm 380,000K spanker line. And it's on my watch list? Yeah, nope. Now it's on the watch list. Yeah, spank a line. Oh, I'm in the green on one of them. Nolik is coming back with a vengeance. Sort of. Okay. It's good to see some green. All right, go back to Pulse. See if there's something else there that we like. Nolik definitely is strong. Yeah. Conrad, we like. Edge, we like. I thought Goat would be something. I like Pepe Girl. I like that one. Pamp. You know. Yana. Ayana. What the hell? Sayat. Is what? Sayat? That shit going up. Wouldn't it be nice? Wouldn't it be nice if this Nolik to $1? That'd be hella nice. Sayat. The fuck does that even mean? Let's see. Let's see what the community got to say. 60% of domestic cats in North America are overweight or obese. Okay, still don't get it. I might buy some if it drops back down to, jumps off the cliff. Damn, I know look is up $1. Okay, I'm up a buck. Oh shoot. Donado. 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 These some stupid coins, but man, they're buying them. My bag of Solana ain't that deep, so I got to be very, very cautious. And I would advise you guys to be cautious too, because you don't want to just jump into everything because you see these other guys jumping in it. Understand something. I want you to understand something. I'm going to go back here. These guys, look at this. $126,000 in Solana. You don't have that. You might, but probably not. $37 grand in Solana. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be real careful. All right. Dope. That's dope. Put 2 Solana in, came out 2.44. 20% return. Daddy likey. But this red pant, that motherfucker made out like a bandit. 16 Solana gate, 69 Solana. Fuck. Pant might be something. That pant might be something, y'all. Hmm. I don't know. We're gonna keep an eye on that Pamp though, for sure. Pamp's on the radar, y'all. And Bezo. No, don't care right now. That's not what we're looking at. We're looking at this. Yeah, no look. No look's gonna be something. Pamp, where was that at? Pamp. Donato? Donato. Donato. Oh, why you keep buying Donato, bruh? You see something I don't see? 3 members, 1,000 followers. Maybe there's something here. Maybe there is. I gotta buy some. I just bought some Donato. All right. So I'm gonna watch this now. Fuck it. Just buy Donato. Man, I'm buying some crazy ass coins just because, you know what? Because I'm streaming with y'all. And I said, fuck it. A little bit of salon in there. The only thing I got in the green. Of course, you sold it, you dirtbag. It's all good. Donato. I'm just gonna sit on Donato. It ain't on Donato. Because hell, it just came out. You know, that's the key. If something just came out, you gotta give it a chance. Maybe get a week, 2 weeks, a month. Hell, sometimes you need 3, 4 months, and then boom, that thing just wakes up, and it's like, oh my god, I forgot about this. And you're sitting on some pretty hefty bag. And that's the key. You just don't know. So I'd rather be err on the side of what if than the oh fuck I missed it. You know what I mean? So anyway. All right, back to Axon. Axon song. Axon song. Pulse tracker. I hope y'all followed how to do this. Fart dog. Ooh. We got some nice action here on Fart Dog. Can you see that? See that action, y'all? Fart Dog. Shit, we get some Fart Dog. Yeah, why not? I just bought some Fart Dog. We in the Fart Dog. We're definitely in the Fart Dog now. Of course, as soon as I buy the damn Fart Dog, we jump off a cliff. It's like wait for him to buy it. Wait for him to buy it. You dirty bastards. It's all good. But see, this is the gamble. I'd rather play this gamble than the lottery gamble, because really, yeah, the lottery could win. You could. But the likelihood of you winning, they say you're more likely to get struck by lightning probably 3 times before winning it. Winning the lottery, excuse me. So the likelihood of you winning the lottery is less likely than you getting struck 3 times by lightning. So that's crazy. So I like to deal with this game. See what we got. Added Fart Dog to the watch list, y'all. Get some of that stank dog. Look, man, my Norlic bag. Look, you see it? My Norlic bag. See that? Yeah, yeah. Keep it going. This is real time, y'all. I like this because you see that it. You know, I put my money where my mouth is. I'm not just talking it. I'm living it. You guys get to watch it with me. It's kind of cool. Even though I'm putting it at risk for y'all, which I shouldn't be. Is what it is. All right. Let's go back here and see if there's something else these guys are missing. Or have bought, excuse me. Let's see what Cupsey just bought. Cupsey bought Morning. Who is Morning? 7 Soul only got 2.3 back. 5 Soul? What the hell? What did you just buy? I know you put 470. I get it, but 5 sold. Lord. That's not what I want to see. You buy 5 sold of something. What you buy? You put 7 sold in and got 13 sold back. Jesus. How did we miss that? Sus. SUS 6 minutes ago. Sus. $41K market cap, $41,000 market cap. So I'm trying to figure out how he's doing this. He's buying it up here. He bought. That's his first purchase. Bought, sold, and then boom, it crashed. He made a freaking bag. You see what it said he made? He put 7 sold in and got 13 back. 91% return. Ah, dang. That's why he's the king. He liked this morning. For some reason. He sold morning, but he bought it, sold it. I don't know. We just gotta keep waiting. Does Sus have legs? What are we looking at? Oh, she's twerking. That's what it was. Yeah, twerking. I don't know what she is. She was twerking. Twerking and acting. I'm running out of Solana. I ain't got much left in my bag to make these micro purchases because I'm about like $4 at a time, $2. I'm not like these guys, 4 Solana at a time, which that's really where you're gonna make your money. But you kind of got to get good at this, like to kind of get in a rhythm to know. Like you can go deep by Solana and you can risk a lot of Solana, but you better be smart about your risk because you can lose it all in a heartbeat. That's why they get in and scout. Some of these are worth holding on, especially if you're losing. You got to hold. You ain't really got a choice. I'm up $4 on my Norman. Okay, I like it. So you see how quickly he bought so. See, I can't move that fast. Just looking at the ones that migrated, man. The migration ones are the ones. Cupsey, look at this thing. There's no lick. This thing is the real deal. I gotta buy this thing on a flip to flop. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna look for that Nolan. Like, there you go. There you go. We buying this no look, y'all. I'm buying this off the market. Like, I don't want y'all to see my wallet address, so call me what you will. We getting this no look today. That thing, I'm telling y'all, that might be one. That might be one of them ones. You saw here first. Bam. We're gonna do a little bit more. We're gonna go a little heavy on no look. 8. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Let's do that. Bam. Give me that no lick. I think that's one. Let's hope that no look becomes one of them ones for no reason. And I don't know what the story is behind it. I guess we can find out, right? Let's go find out. Let's go find out what's up with no look. Go to the Twitter, fam. No, that's not it. That's not it. 1,600 holders. See, look at that. It's got 1,600 holders. I mean, this is the stuff you really gotta look at that. How many holders? 1,700. It's growing. Seven. I mean, I'm learning new things to focus on as we go. But this no look might be a moonshot. So it's really up to you guys what you want to do and how you do it. But that's kind of how I look at it. And then Fart Dog, look at that, 600 holders, 80K market cap. 6% bundle. 5% insiders holding. Yeah, I mean, I get it. This is about to go to $1 million market cap here in probably the next 15 minutes. This is crazy. Jesus, what the hell? Oh, wow, that looks, this is going to sound crazy, but the dog's ass looks like Jesus. Do you see that? Wow. All right, let's see what's up with this. Yeah, straight to, it looks like Jesus, but it went straight to hell. It's only $1,000 market cap, so that's not really one. It got 34 holders. Look at this. This no look is growing, y'all. About to go to $1 million market cap. I'm telling you. I am telling you. You heard it here first. No look might be one of the moonshots. Chud Life. Chud Life? Chud Life. You just sold all the Chud Life. Let's see what that looks like. You made a bag on that damn sus, Lord. Come on, man. Did it refresh? Dang. You know what? Let me go back. Cupsey. All right. You lost minimal. Well, you lost big on Centropic. You made decent money on Chud Life. That's sus, boy. That was your lick right there for sure. Let's see. Let us see up in here. Up in here. some traffic. Where you at? Y'all. Y'all. I don't know. Chet Life might have some legs. It's trying to survive, right? Let's go back here. We might do one more. Look at this. This motherfucking Nolik is going. I'm telling you, man. I missed that early. Did I get it early or did I miss it? About Chet Life. See? Chet Life might be another one. No, all right, let me look at Chet Life again. Look at Chet Life. Do I need to buy a little Chud? Look good. You just buy some Chud. I just bought some Chud. Y'all, Chud's in the portfolio. Had to do it. Has to do it. Oh my goodness. I'm up $11. Okay. Okay. That no look is the no look pass, boy. Yeah. Keep on moving. Keep on moving. Look, you see. You see that? See that green? That's that no look. That's that no look pass. Yes, sir. All right. That's all we're gonna do today. I think we good. I think we are so good. I think we are so mother flipping good. Let's turn that down that music. I hope you can hear the music like I hear. If you can't, then I'm sorry because you get some good ass music. That shit sounds good. Listen, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Like, follow, I really appreciate your support. The least I can ask is I put you on something. Yeah. Follow, leave me a tip. Subscribe. All platforms. Help me grow because I feel like if we do help each other, that's what it's all about. It's not using holding on to some messages. Not helping anybody else in the man's mind because I truly believe great equalizers with combat poverty, paycheck shortages, whenever you pay your certain bills. A little bit of favor, a little bit of research, a little bit of effort. Play this video back. It can help you maybe get to that next level. And I hope I helped you do that today. So I appreciate y'all tuning in. Until next time. I just can't. I hope you hear that. That shit sounds so good. That beat's gonna come back. Don't pay no attention to my background. Packaging. I'll see y'all again next time.